Alright, puppy. You be good girl. Yeah. You be good girls. Yes. Yes. I love you. You be good girls. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I gotta go do stuff. Alright. Good morning, everybody. Today, we fixed the dart. Actually got a new part. Don't mind that. I got a Turbo Smart pound boost controller. Waste weight. We're gonna be putting in this, so hopefully that is the deal. And so yeah, hopefully this fixes it. Do a cold start, because I know y'all love cold starts. Alright, so of course still no boost, check engine light. So we're going to go over to Chris's house and we're going to install this and hope that that's the problem. I'm hoping, because once this is working, we start tear down on that. All the way to the floor. Creeping. No boost. Creeping. Well, it put me in limp mode, so yeah, pedal all the way down, and yeah, got me in limp mode now. So driving this compared to the Subaru, it's a different creature, even with the turbo working really good. It's more fun. I mean, yeah, it's manual, so that definitely helps out, but I don't know, this has an electronic steering. It's more fun, but the Subaru, it's power. I really don't think this was ever meant to be a performance car. I think it was more like creature comfort, leather, and all that good stuff, but I don't know. They have a few upgrades. You can get the Aberrant turbo. I've already got the 10-pound controller, so I think they make a hot cam you can swap. Downpipe. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be a race car, but definitely make it more fun. The Subaru, on the other hand, that will be the powerhouse. That's going to be the one that's going to be 450, maybe more, depending if I build the motor. So yeah, but we are almost at Chris's house. We can start working on this. I need something that's going to be reliable, so they're like, after theirs failed, they put that one on, and they said the boost was just amazing, night and day.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yep. But of course, this is just a Fiat motor, so there's not a lot of aftermarket support.
Seems odd.
I know.
It seems like there should be quite a bit.
You would think so.
Morning.
Broke down and got me.
Oh, you ain't got one, huh?
After letting, I seen how many bolts and bullshit.
Oh. Well, I wonder if that could be it. The fucking part's gone.
Yeah, Not even hooked up.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, there's the fucking this piece, the arm. It's gone.
I mean, the arm's there. It's
yeah, but
not-
there's
it's
no
not-
clip.
Well, yeah, it's unhooked, and
Yeah. That's why it's
clips.
not boosting.
that's why it's not working.
Oh,
You
fuck
lost
it.
the clip.
Yeah, I don't even know where the clip went though.
Well, who knows? Down there somewhere.
Yeah,
Down, fell.
yeah. But yeah, that's why.
Well, yeah. Well,
What happened?
came unhooked.
Yeah, it came unhooked. The thing is not connected to the turbo at all.
Oh, well, aren't you lucky?
Well, no, I already went out and spent $185 on my upgraded one.
Well, yeah, but you could always return it. But aren't you lucky? That's all.
I know. Oh yeah. Well, that makes sense why it's not working. Yeah. All that.
That sucks.
Let's see. Your flap.
That's the most important thing.
20 minutes later.
In the trailer for another round. Taking it to a different shop to see if they can't figure out that. This one, my GoPro battery died, so what we got with this is it's boosting, but it's still surging. So Chris thinks it might be a boosting somewhere. Figure that one out. Yeah, that's what we got. This is going to a different shop with a better computer system. Dropping off day one. Hoping they got an answer. Good morning. It's the next day. It is sunshine beautiful out. Battery died in the camera, so didn't get to record the last bit, but I did put a new wastegate on. Actually works better, kinda, but I'm still having the boost surge issues from 3rd to 6th, so I don't know what exactly. I thought maybe it was the turbo, but you can hear the turbo in the exhaust, so I don't know if it's giving out or what. Yeah, and the 300 is at the shop. They said it's the throttle body, so well, I'm buying another throttle body. Hoping that that's going to be it. Yeah, gonna meet with Chris. We're gonna go look at that and figure it out. But of course, cold start with the turbo.
Okay, start her up. Still need a stronger throttle spring. Not pulling it down all the way.
freaking extra